Good morning, everyone. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of us. We are from Group 4. Here, we will discuss two topic. Before slide. This topic, conditional sentence, if, and transformation from active to passive voice. But before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Gretes Abdiel as a moderator, and my teammates are the name
Bibi Setiawan,
Nurindra Putri Pratama.
I'm Desi Ratnasari.
Okay. Back to topic, conditional sentence if. Conditional sentence with if consists of a subordinate clause that begin with if and a main clause that indicates the result of the condition in the subordinate clause. There are four types of conditional sentence with if. It's formed by combining different tense. The four types of conditional sentence with if are: next. 1. Expressing condition that can be fulfilled in the present and future. Pola if plus simple present will feature. Example: if I find his address, I will send him an invitation. Next. The main clause, I will send him an invitation. In this pattern can occur in the present or future in the condition in the subordinate clause. If I find his address is fulfilled, the main clause in this type use the simple present tense which expresses habit of or fact. Therefore, the auxiliary verb will is sometimes optional in the word. Will in the main clause can be omitted. Another variation of this type is: example, if plus simple present, simple present. Example, if the temperature goes below 0 Celsius, water freeze. Next. 2. Expressing condition contrary to the fact in the present and future. F plus simple past, would plus verb 1. Example, if I found his address, I will send him an invitation.
the main clause, I would send him an invitation, cannot come true at present or in the future because the conditional clause if found his address contradicts the find and only serves as a hypothetical statement. In other words, the meaning of the conditional clause in this type in the opposite of what is stated. Therefore, the main clause will never happen either now or in the future. Conditional sentence contrary to the tense in the present and future. When using the verb be, always use the form where for all subject, whether they are noun or pronouns. Example: if I were right, I would have mean.
3. Expressing condition contrary to the past in the past. Pola if plus past perfect or plus have plus verb 3. Example, if I had for his address, I would have sent him an invitation. The main clause which express the result of the if conditional in the past, I would have sent him an invitation, cannot come true. The if conditional clause, if I had for this address, contradict the past. In other words, the subordinate clause which describe an activity in the past never actually happened. 3-4. The main clause also never occurred. 4. Mixed conditional sentence. Pola if plus past perfect or plus verb 1. Example, if I had found his address yesterday, I will send him an invitation now.
Transformation from active to passive voice. Is it called mixed conditional sentence because the conditional clause if in this better describe an activity relate to the past, while the result in the main clause relate to the present of future. However, the main clause of this mixed conditional sentence, or I will send him an invitation now, will never to realize because the conditional clause if I have found his address yesterday, which describe an activity, the past contradicts the facts. The structure for transformation of active sentence into a passive sentence in format with the following standard rules. 1. Make the object of the active sentence the subject of the passive sentence. 2. Include the verb in the form of be. 3. Use the main verb in the past participle from verb 3. 4. Place the auxiliary verb, if any, after the subject of the sentence. 5. And the profitability on optional with auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb have, will, can, many, shall, will, and must the accompany and the verb be in passive sentence. Here an example of the verb be in a passive sentence that appear without the auxiliary verb and with the inclusion of other auxiliary verb without an auxiliary verb. Example, active sentence, Rama write a email. Passive sentence, a email written by Rama. Example, active sentence, Rama have written a email. Passive sentence, an email have been written by Rama.
Alright. Let's conclude our presentation. We apologize for any mistake in our work. Thank you for attention.